Hi, I'm Simi Lolu, and in this video, I go over how I plan to start earning passive income through DeFi. Now, this video is for you if you're already into cryptocurrency, but somehow haven't been able to really deep dive into DeFi and all the benefits that can come from focusing on the DeFi aspect of cryptocurrency. Stay with me on this channel since I plan over the next couple of weeks to do a deep dive into DeFi, meaning. So let's get started. Now, the acronym DeFi actually stands for decentralized finance, as it relates to the blockchain technology behind cryptocurrency. So the term DeFi actually means that the blockchain is able to function without a middleman. That middleman, as far as finance is concerned, could be anything or anyone. A bank, an individual acting as an escrow, or just a developer who's written code for the dApp. And for those of you who don't know, here is the definition of what a dApp is. With decentralized finance, we don't need any of these guys. And what that means is carrying out your transactions on these platforms does not require you needing any form of identification, such as a passport or a driver's license. So if I want to send money from me to you who lives in China, I won't need to depend on the services of Western Union, PayPal, or any banking institution. In a trustless situation, I would simply send the money from me direct to you. Trustless, in this case, simply meaning we don't need to depend on a third party. So, what exactly are smart contracts? Simply put, a smart contract is a program that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Smart contracts are what allow the decentralized finance ecosystem to function. There can be no mention of DeFi or dApps until smart contracts occur. These smart contracts automate any transaction and removes the need for central authorities. The smart contract code protects assets that it manages and literally belongs to nobody. They belong to the code. The main feature that makes these contracts appealing, though, is the fact that they're practically impossible to breach. So now we get to the meat of the matter. How do we actually make money with DeFi? Now, when you trade with centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, the transaction fees you pay to buy or to sell your assets go into the coffers of the exchanges, making them richer with your transaction fees. However, with DeFi, because your money and my money goes into a liquidity pool, similar transaction fees generated by the system are equally shared amongst all liquidity providers. Again, that's you and me. Now, these fees can range anywhere from single digits to triple digits. I've seen four-figure digit percentages. This is how you make money with DeFi. Now, there are various aspects in earning money on DeFi. We have airdrops, yield farming, liquidity mining, earning with DeFi loans, playing games to earn. Now, I don't know that this is an exhaustive list, since DeFi is a fast-moving space, and by the end of this series, another mode of generating income through DeFi could well have been developed. So, in the interest of keeping this video short and understanding that this is just an introduction to DeFi, I'm going to end the video here. But in my next video, I'm going to dive into liquidity mining and exactly how we're going to profit from contributing to liquidity pools. I'll see you in the next one.